So before I start talking on this video and getting into it, I want to put out the disclaimer. Please stick around for this whole thing if you are if you have a store that Kroger is not allowing you to stack these coupons, if they're giving you a hard time, please stick around through this whole video. I really feel like it'll help you. I'm going to share with you exactly what I did when I went to corporate and what you need to do to get the answer that you need. So please stick around for the whole video. Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So yes, 3 videos in one day, but I have good reasons. Yeah, it's another Kroger video too. Like, Kroger's been hot this week. But I have to say, I've probably got now upwards, probably close to 50 comments of people saying their store will not allow them to stack a 5 times digital coupon with a paper coupon. And first of all, not all of you, and the majority of you haven't made me feel like this. I feel some people think that I might be encouraging them to do something wrong. Maybe not, but I feel like some of you think I'm trying to get you to do something and I'm acting like this is a glitch and that it's not really allowed in Kroger's policy, but because it works, I'm telling you to do it. That is 100% not the case. I'm not trying to brag on myself, but I take the opportunity to share with others how to coupon. I don't take that lightly. So I would never, ever tell any of you to go do a deal misusing a coupon. That's not who I am. I'm not judging anyone who does do any of these things. You've been on my channel for a long time. You know, I follow the rules to a T. If a coupon says limit 1, I use 1. That's just who I am. And I'm not judging anyone who does anything like that, who, you know, uses more than 1 coupon if it says limit 1. I'm not judging anyone. I'm not saying that's right or wrong. I'm just saying on here, if a manufacturer says to do a certain thing, that's what I do. So anyways, so don't ever think, I hope you all don't think I'm telling you to do this, that it's wrong or anything, because 100% before I told all of you to do this, I had it confirmed with Kroger Corporate. Last time this 5 times mega event came back on July the 1st, I contacted Kroger Corporate and I asked them. And I'm going to share that email with you now because I know many of you have asked for it. And I'm going to share that email with you, what I told Kroger exactly and what the Kroger Corporate manager told me. And that's the other important thing. I think some of you are just calling the corporate, just the main corporate. Here's what I really would recommend doing. Do not just call the regular corporate. Find the district affairs manager. This is what, when we're couponing at the store, we never just go off the main cashier. If we have a problem, we always ask for a manager. So that's why I would speak to the corporate manager rather than just corporate themselves. Because I saw someone tonight emailed me, and I appreciate them doing that. They emailed me the answer that corporate gave them, and it literally didn't answer their question at all. That is why I recommend you go to the corporate affairs manager and not just the plain corporate people. And don't call either. Here's why I say don't call. What you need to do is you need to get this email confirmation from Kroger Corporate. You need to print this out and you need to carry this with you at all times. Because if a Kroger store starts saying you can't stack these because they're 2 manufacturer coupons, no. You need to pull out this letter, point out on the Kroger computer screen that these 5 times coupons ring up as an SC. See right there, Amy Stotts here on YouTube. Thank you so much, Amy, for sending me this because this is really, really helpful in explaining. Look at this. The Gain fireworks. She bought these Gain fireworks. They're $4.99 each. And look right there, SC. That is the Kroger digital coupon that came off. And look down there. She used the $2 off manufacturer coupon. That's an MC. That is completely different than an SC. An SC is the same exact thing that comes off with a mega event discount. So like the mega event, buy 5. When they hit the end, that $5 comes off like one of these coupons. Now, usually at Kroger, the digital coupons cannot be used with the paper coupon. I've got this a lot. Can I stack digital and paper coupons? 90% of the time you can't because these digital coupons are just a manufacturer coupon. So I believe that is why when a lot of you said your stores won't let you do it, that's why. They're trying to follow the rules that corporate has sent down, because it is the Kroger policy. I can't go using 2 manufacturer coupons on the same item. That's what limit 1 per purchase means. So that's why the stores are confused and aren't letting you do it, because they think you're trying to stack 2 manufacturer coupons. However, these 5 times digital coupons are not manufacturer coupons. You can see this right here on the screen. And basically how you can tell this is at the checkout, it's easier at self-checkout. It will come off. It'll have this little code. So SC, that means store coupon. You can use a store, that is a store coupon. Just like we use manufacturer coupons, it deducts off a $5 mega event. Like when we have our mega event, it takes $5 off, and that is called an SC. So just like that, this is the same as a mega event. So since we're allowed to use coupons with mega events, it would make no sense why we can't use these store coupons, which are literally just a store sale. These coupons are not manufacturer reimbursed. This is just Kroger. I think the main reason they do this is because they're trying to put a limit on their sales, and this is how they do it. They do these digital coupons. It is still a Kroger sale. It's basically just them having Tide on sale for $2.99, and they have a limit of 5 on it. That's all this really is. So that's why I think they do the 5 times digitals. But can we use a coupon on a regular Kroger sale? Absolutely. So I had this in my mind for a while. I've heard multiple people confirm it and agree with me that their stores allow them to do this. My store had been allowing me to do this for a long time. So I decided, though, before I keep promoting it on my videos, I was going to take this to corporate. So here is my email that I sent them. Here's what I did. It's really hard to find, so I'm going to have this in the description box below for all of you. But the Kroger, how I did this is I got on the Kroger Media Context page. So click that link in the description box below. You'll be right on the same page. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the division contacts, and you're just going to look through there until you find your region. So they have it not just for Kroger, they have it for everywhere. So they have it for the affiliates, like they have it for Dillon's, Food for Less, Fred Meyer, Fry's, JC, King Soopers, and QFC, Ralph's, Roundy's, and Marino's, and then Smith's. So you're going to find the division you're in and email them. And this is what I told my store. I just said, hello, I'm aware that you cannot use a manufacturer digital coupon with a paper coupon. However, I've heard from various people that their store personnel had informed them that a customer may use a digital coupon with a 5 times coupon. The reason being that the 5 times digital coupons ring up as an SC, which is a store coupon, unlike the typical digital coupons that ring up as an MC. I know that any Kroger sale discount rings up as an MC, whether it being a reduced price, an item that's, I explained it there, or a mega event. We can always use coupons on those sales. I was wondering, since the 5 times coupons ring up as an SC, that if we can use a manufacturer coupon with it. So I explained this to them, and here's the response I got back. I apologize, it's kind of blurry and small, but I had to blotch out my name there, so that's why there's those big scribbles. But anyways, they responded, my district manager responded, good morning. We do accept a manufacturer coupon and a store coupon for the same item, as long as the item on the coupon is exactly what the customer is purchasing and is in date. So, there's my answer. I received this answer from Kroger that I could use both coupons. I explained it to them, and this is their response. So, here is my main recommendation to all of you who say you're having problems stacking the coupons. Explain to them, go to your district manager and explain to them what you're talking about. If you just say, can I use a paper coupon with a digital coupon, they're going to shoot you down. They're going to say absolutely not. So make sure you're thoroughly explaining it to them, kind of like I did, just point out about the SC and the MC and all that stuff. And then, they should come back with this answer, because this clearly is the corporate policy. Rules are not going to be different where I'm at in Ohio than what you would have. I seen someone say in Tennessee they were told by corporate that the rules are just different in Ohio. That is not the case. I have seen on Instagram and YouTube, I've seen people in West Virginia. I've seen people in Indiana. I've seen people in Georgia. I've even seen people in California doing these deals. So, yeah, think about it, how far Ohio is from California. It's definitely not regional. We can all do these deals with the stacking of the 5 times coupons. Finally, I want to address this. On the digital coupon, it says limit of 1 coupon per household. Digital coupons and paper coupons may not be combined on the same item. All right. Some people have said I need to clarify that it says digital and paper coupons may not be combined on the same item. And here's what I want to explain. This is obviously a protocol that they put on all the coupons. Think about it. It says limit of 1 coupon per household. Okay. If the coupon's coming off 5 times, how are they following that rule that they have listed down there, the limit of 1 coupon per household? If it's coming off 5 times, that's not a limit of 1. Basically, that kind of just explains this is what they put on the majority of the digital coupons, because the majority of coupons are limit 1, and the majority of them can't be used at the paper coupon. This is special circumstances because it's a 5-time sale on their store sales. They're really not even coupons. It's just a Kroger sale. They're just doing it in a coupon form, which don't really know why, but that's how they're doing it now. All that means, I hope that makes sense about what it says in the app. I get that was so much information all at once. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. I've just been getting the same comment a lot, so I thought it'd be easier to make a video and to kind of show you. Sometimes visually showing stuff can be better than just reading a bunch of verbiage. I know that firsthand. So I thought maybe getting on here doing a video would help. If you have any more questions, though, never hesitate to ask. I just thought it'd be easier to address it all at once instead of me typing the same thing over and over and over again. So yeah, contact your district manager. Do not just contact the regular corporate. That's what so many people have told me they've done, is just contact the regular corporate. Not good. Contact the district manager. So yeah, if you haven't had any problems with the stacking coupons, awesome. I've had no issues either. I know Amy, I was talking to her. She's had no issues. She's been to multiple Kroger stores this week, and they've all just let her do it just fine. Because a lot of the stores are aware of this, but I think many of the stores are just really confused because this is all new to them. It was for years, you can never use a digital coupon and a paper coupon together. But now Kroger's kind of changing it, which is awesome. I'm glad they're changing it. I just wish all the stores kind of get on the same page. So, yeah, that is all I have for now. I hope this video helped, and thank you so much for watching.